Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So as you all know that gate 2025 is very much near, so we are solving the previous year question. So get started. So solve a previous year gate question. You can take a pause and take the screenshot of the question and try to solve this. If not, then try to give the solution. So if you need this type of content, please like, share, subscribe to my channels. I am continuously sending the videos of the previous year gate question. So the solution, so this is a C question which came into the gate 2024. So this is came in gate 2024. So this is a easy C based question. So this is the main function is returns and the two variable is declared from here. So I am writing the variables. A is equal to 6, a variables is assigned the value as 6 and b variables assign the values as 0. So there is a while loop is present. Say the while loops conditions is first while loops is take up the conditions. If condition is true, then the body of the while loops is executed. So the value of a, so while value of a is 6, so 6 is less than 10, so the condition is true. So condition true, then the value is came to the body of the loop. So a value is assigning to a means a value is 6 upon 12 plus 1. So we know that the divide functions is sending the remainder. So if we divide 6 out of 12, so it gives the remainder values as 0. So we get the output as a value is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So the value of a is now the line is 1. So now the a value is incremented by a is equal to a plus is equal to b means a is equal to a plus b means the value of a value is 1 and already we initialize the b value as 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So now the updated a value is 1. So the updated new a value is 1. Okay, so so now again the a value is 1. So again we checks the loops while 1 is less than is equal to 10. Yes, its condition is true, 1 is less than is equal to 10. Then a value is incremented by a is equal to a upon 12 plus 1. So a value is 1 upon 12 plus 1. So a value is 1 upon 12. So 1 upon 12 is also gives the value as 0. So 0 plus 1 is also getting the values is a value is 1. So the second line of the while loops is in implemented where a is equal to a plus b. So a value is 1 and b value is 0. So again the a new value is 1. So again the updated value is 1. So so if we consider, then again a value is 1, go to the loops and the loops is being true. So again the loop is being true. So again the loop is true. So again it came checking the value. So always the a value as initialized to a value is getting 1 stuck at the 1. So it's run an infinite loop. So it's run an infinite loop. So the what is the options given? So option A is the so program print 9 as the output, so not 9. So the program print 10 as the output, not this. The program gets stuck in the infinite loop. So option C is correct. So the program is run in the infinite loop. And the option D is the program print 6 as the output. So this is also not correct. So option C is the correct answer. The program print in the infinite loop. Thanks for watching. If you need this type of content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a nice day.